guys, it's Kelly of Kelly and Toya, and Babe's behind the camera. So today's video is going to be a Fashion Nova haul, and Babe's gonna rate my outfits. So the first piece is these tights that I got from Fashion Nova. I think they were like $35. Let me get a little close to the camera. So they look like they have rhinestones on it, but they don't really. It's just like, I forget what she called it, what they called it on the website, but it's kind of like a 3D effect. And then I have this really cute mauve bandage dress that I bought for a wedding, but opted to go with a longer dress because of the type of wedding that we were going to. And then this pink jacket. You all know my pink is my favorite color. Can you see this good, babe?
Yep, I got you, babe.
And when I saw this, it was actually the model had on something very similar to what I have on. So I'm gonna kind of recreate that look. I'm gonna see if I can find a picture. I'll screenshot it and add it into this in the clip so you guys can see. So yeah, so stay tuned so I can try these pieces on. So guys, this is the jacket. I love this jacket. Pink, of course, is my favorite color. I'm excited. I'm thinking my outfit for Toya's birthday. This is a close up. Let me do this in the mirror. This is it, tied up. You like that, babe?
Oh yes.
The back.
Compliment that ass real nice.
Is that right? So yeah, I kind of like this. I actually like it a lot. It's a cute pink. But of course, I probably will wear it open.
Yes, babe. Get it.
I am loving this. Look even better than it did online. So, 1 to 10.
Oh, that's definitely a 10. No doubt.
A 10.
No question.
Okay.
No doubt.
Guys, comment down below. Bae says 10. Let me know if you agree. I have to say that I totally agree. Oh, the pockets are still, they're functional. Actually, they are. I'm not going to unbutton them, but there are actual functioning pockets. So yeah. Quick walk.
I cannot. Lord.
So guys, tell me what you guys think. So I say 10, Bae say 10. Let me know what you all think. Okay, Fashion Nova. Okay guys, so these are the tights. As you can see, they're high waist. Show them all the back. Can you see that, babe? I decided to go with a motorcycle leather jacket with this look. I wasn't too sure about the lace underneath, but I think I kind of like that touch. What do you think, babe?
I do too. I'm loving it.
Loving it?
Yes, them pants fit you real nice. Oh no, not more than that pink, but them pants are.
So again, guys, these are Fashion Nova high-waisted 3D something jeans. I will put the name below. Yeah, so tell me what you think. Hey, hey.
Get it, ma. Get it. Get it, ma.
So I'm thinking with this jacket, I'm gonna say a 7 or 8. I wish that the ankle was a little more fitted. I like my stuff form fitted. For my height, it's not so bad. Just wish that it was not the baggy look. So yeah, I'll show you guys a picture where I wore it with some bear paw boots. Actually Sunday when it came and it was cute. But with the heels, I'm gonna have to give it an 8. What do you think, babe? What do you rate it?
The whole outfit, yeah, I'll say a 7 or 8. The
Not
pants,
the outfit, the pants. You're rating the
oh,
pants.
just the pants?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, they look good on you, babe.
What? So 1 through 10.
I'll say a 10. I like them pants.
A 10?
Yes,
And with
I
the
like them.
the whole outfit
The whole
together?
the whole outfit together about an 8. The pants itself a 10.
Okay. Hey.
I cannot, Lord.
Hey. I gotta see if I can move with them.
Oh, you moving?
Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the bandage dress.
Mm. It looks good.
So what do you think?
Oh, that's definitely 10.
10?
Baby,
Not
you
too
know how to
bad,
pick them out, y'all.
Huh?
She know how to pick them out.
I try to do my thing. Thank you for watching my Fashion Nova haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to always, babe,
Live life boldly.